How is it going, everyone? My name is Uncanny Carlos, and today we're going to review the Rubik's Cube 2.0. As you can see, is the 2.0 by the new logo. So let's see what the Rubik's Cube 2.0 has to offer. Yeah, the turning is good for this cube. Smooth, but it makes clunky sounds. If you want a quiet cube, this isn't it. It does move faster the more you move it. Corner cutting on this cube doesn't work, and there is a high chance you might break it. But like that, it works. This is a stickerless cube, as you can see here. Overall, the turning is great. The corner cutting is bad. It's clunky, it makes sounds, so if you don't like that, buy another cube. So I'll give this a 7 out of 10. Stay tuned next week as I review the Pokemon theme deck. Is it worth your money?